Welcome to Patricia Delights, and today we are going to make my version of devil eggs. Okay, we're going to start with putting the eggs into the boiling water very gently so that the shell does not crack. And we're going to do this one at a time. You don't want the shell to hit the bottom of the pot because they will crack. And then you'll just have a mess. Now we're going to let this boil. We're going to let the eggs boil for 15 minutes. And then when they're done, we will take them out, pour the hot water off, and fill the pot with cold water and let it sit another 15 minutes. Okay, so we let the eggs boil for 15 minutes, brought it over to the sink, poured the hot water out, filled the pot up with cold water. They've been sitting for 15 minutes, so now we're ready to peel. Let's get rid of some of the cold water. Start peeling. And I always like to rinse my eggs off because you don't know if any little piece of shell stayed on. Okay, now that we have the eggs peeled, we're going to cut them. So we're going to cut them this way. Just be careful when you're cutting your egg. And we're going to put the yolk into the bowl. Alrighty. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mash our egg yolks. And we're going to add our ingredients. Okay, first what we're adding is a teaspoon of shredded red onion, a teaspoon of pickle relish, sweet pickle relish, a teaspoon of olives that's been finely chopped with the pimento. Then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and then we have a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Oops. We have a pinch of cayenne pepper, and that's optional. And then we have an 1/8 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Okay. Now we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of yellow mustard, 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise, and 2 teaspoons of sour cream. All right. Now, we're going to mix this together. Now we're going to put it into our piping bag. Now you can use a Ziploc bag. Just cut the end off, put your piping instrument at the end, push it through, and it'll work the same way. Okay, now that we got the eggs all finished, what we're going to do is we're going to put a slice, one little slice of olive on top of each deviled egg. And then we're going to sprinkle a little paprika. Give it some color and some flavor. Okay, and these are the deviled eggs. So now I'm gonna have my son Dorian and his girlfriend Brittany to come over and try the eggs with me. Grab an egg, y'all. Come on, Daria. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it is good.
That's really good.
Yeah, that looks good.
Thank you.
Those are good.
Okay. Thank you for joining me on Patricia Delights. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe and hit that bell. And I will see you next time on Patricia Delights. Bye. Okay, there's a little piece of something that's keeping this from coming out. Okay, this video is... Oh my gosh!
Okay, that would be the blooper.
That was a serious blooper.